Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 17th, 2021. You guys can see on my screen that we are going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Cosmos today. So if today's your first time ever viewing our content, y'all appreciate how we're giving you all a heads up as to where the price is going to go. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I will also recommend that you continually come back to this particular platform so you can continually see our expectations as to where the price is going to go. So now let's break this down real quick because also let me also say thank you to Jesse Chen. He is our newest member joining our community. He chose to get one of our perks, the apprentice perk, so that he can also learn how to call the market. I just want to do a shout out to him. Thank you for participating and believing in all our information and the content that we are creating. Hopefully you can continue to learn as much information as possible about reading the market. So if you want to become part of our community as well, we do have two perks that we are offering, the apprentice as well as the artisan perk. Just take a quick second, go ahead, check that out if you guys want to join as well. The links are right next to the subscribe button on our channel. So now real quick, let me talk about what has occurred into the market in Cosmos against our prediction. You know, we are being fully transparent with you right here, right now. When we did our video in Cosmos all the way back here on March 30th, we told you all that we were looking for the market to go higher in price, and the trap has exceeded our expectation, which is always a good thing when you're in profit. You guys can tell that we had our restriction area right there around $23. So if anything, profitability from us was around 13%. Almost 14%. You guys can literally see that on the chart right now. If you were to get out right now today, your profitability would be around 26%. It's just that easy and just that simple. We were in position on March the 30th to capitalize on this anticipated price movement higher in price, all without being confused. You guys can see that our price chart is not confusing. We don't use none of that technical analysis jargon because it's pointless. Plus, we don't use none of that technical analysis indicators because it is also pointless. If anything, it causes more confusion, something that we are not about. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that away real quick, and you all can see what has occurred into the market in Cosmos of late. Okay, so obviously you can see that we are in a uptrend into the market. Don't let no one else tell you anything different. The market in Cosmos has been in a uptrend. Now the question is, can it continue? So that is going to be our main focus on today's video, to see whether or not Cosmos can continue its upward momentum. Okay, so this is the current overall trend here into the market in Cosmos. You might even see a couple of people use this trend for Cosmos right here, which we're going to use because it is closer to where the market currently is. This line down here at the bottom is not even applicable at this moment because the market is trading around $25 and this trend is down here towards $16, $18. So to get the confusion out the way, let's go ahead and move that out the way. Okay, so we're going to utilize this trend right here in the market in Cosmos. Now, why is this the trend? Well, it's simple. The trap has confirmed to us that he enjoys bouncing the market price off of that line. We've had confirmation here at least 3 times. So this is not confusing. He is literally dropping clues for us to let us know where the market is going to go. All right, so let's take that away. Now you can see that the market in Cosmos is down 3.25% right now. You can literally tell that we are hitting all-time highs in the market for Cosmos on this particular exchange, right there around $28. And we're still seeing the weakness coming to the market right now in Cosmos. So we need to check out some different time frames to see if the market is truly weak. Okay, because currently, yes, the market in Cosmos is weak. I can already tell that this area here would be the first area of support, which is right there around $24.50. Okay, this is the second area, which would literally bring the market back here towards our ascending line. Okay, right there. That is the area to which the decision will be made as to whether or not Cosmos will continue to break up and trend alongside that ascending line, or we will break it and start trading sideways. Let's not get it hard. Okay, let's not make this a confusion project. The market can only go in 3 directions. It can go higher, it could go lower, or it could just trade sideways. So right now, the current movement direction is higher, okay? So the next choice that we have that's on the table that the market can translate over into would be sideways trading or movement lower, okay? So let's take that away. Our eyes is going to be really focused on that $22 area, because that is the bullseye to where the market can hold support and continue to prop off that ascending line, okay? 3-day time frame. Let's take a look at this market right here on the 3-day. So the market is weak. It's not extremely weak, so we can actually try to put that in context, that I'm not trying to tell you that the market is going to just completely fall out the sky and fall like a rocket. No, not at all. But you have to understand that the market has its ebbs and flows. You will have its bouts of movement to the downside and bouts of movement higher in price. The question is, where are we going to go? Because right now the weakness is currently involved in the market for Cosmos, okay? Now, based off what happened on this last 5-day price bar right there, this tells me that the market still has a little bit of juice involved, but there's just, the market is just taking some profits at the moment, right? As you see markets make all-time highs, clearly you would expect us to see people take profits off the table. They want to lock in those gains, right? So this is the current process that's going on by us seeing the market on this current 5-day price bar go lower, okay? On the weekly time frame, again, a lot of volatility. The volume has been on the increase. You guys can see on this current weekly price bar, we've seen a lot of volume over than we've seen the last 6-7 weeks, okay? That means a lot. So we actually need to wait and make that determination as to if the weakness is really overpowering the strength, because it can actually drop down the price. Now let's move this over to the hourly time frame. You guys can see here from an hourly perspective, this is the trend, right? So we can see the market in Cosmos drop to $25, even down here to $24, and we'll still be in a pretty massive uptrend in this space. Okay, so our focus is going to be from $24. Yes, $24.50 all the way back down to 22. So let me circle this for you. So I said $24.50 all the way back down to 22. So this is the area right there that we are eyeing to see the market come in and find some support. Okay, so obviously I'm not stating that the market is extremely weak, but we're expecting the market to try to find some propness to where the trap is going to try to prop up the market in this area that I've circled. Okay, so let's do this real quick. We're going to go ahead and put in a price prediction in the market for Cosmos. Just going to play a little bit of weakness here, not a lot. We're going to eye the market to come down to $24.50, right, which would give us about 2.5% profitability. All right, we will come in and take some profits off the table right there, because we are already understanding that he can prop up the price, the market right there around $24.50. Okay, all the way down here to $24. Okay, so this is what we're expecting the market to do. This is the first area to where we are suspecting that he's going to try to come in and prop up this market, $24.50 to 24, right there on that ascending line. This is from an hourly perspective. If we break that on the hourly time frame, then we know that the market's going to try to test 23 all the way down to 22. Okay, so this is it. We are in position into the market in Cosmos. We're just going to play a little bit of weakness. We're not going to give you all that extreme weakness, but you have to be in position and anticipate where the trap is going to go so that you can win. And this is what we do. We predict, we profit, and we win in the market because we are ahead of everyone else in anticipation of where price is going to go. So this is it. I want you all to drop me a comment in the comment section as to where you expect the market price to go for Cosmos. Give me your price prediction. Tell me where you expect the market price to be over the next 3 weeks. For us, it's $24.50 initially for TP, all the way back down to 22. Now, drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me where you all expect the market in Cosmos to go. make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.